what are kinds of sentences? There are 4 kinds of sentences. There's a declarative, interrogative, exclamatory and imperative. Now, what do you mean by a declarative sentence? A declarative sentence simply expresses an opinion, feeling or makes a statement or describes thing. In other words, it declares something. This type of sentence ends with a full stop. So basically what we talk in a normal way, like whatever our conversations are in a normal way, what we are talking, what we are trying to convey a message is known as a declarative or a assertive sentence. Okay, so like if you would tell me, Miss, today we did history in school, but Miss taught us today's particular chapter in school, that is a declarative sentence. What we are talking just in normal is also a declarative sentence. Okay, so you are trying to declare something, you are trying to announce something, you are trying to say something, you are trying to convey a message. A simple everyday talk, like it's an imperative sentence. A normal sentence what we talk is basically an imperative sentence. Can you give me 2 examples of imperative sentence?
Are you coming to play?
That's an interrogative because it will have a question mark.
Okay.
Let us go to play. We will have fun. That is a directive sentence. Okay. Declarative sentence. Sorry. Now then let's do the interrogative sentence. Interrogation का मतलब क्या होता है? You know what is interrogation means? When you ask question, it is known as interrogation. Understood? So basically, interrogation questions are one. See, an interrogative sentence asks a question. Interrogative sentence must end with a note of interrogation, that is a question mark. Here, see the examples are given here are: when are you going to submit your assignment? Do you know him? Will you come to play with me? Miss, what time are you coming today? So when you are asking a question and it comes up as a question mark, it is known as an interrogative sentence. So it always ends with a question mark. Understood? Give me 2 examples of interrogative sentence.
Okay. Should we go for a picnic? What should I study and keep?
Correct. That's also nice. So wherever a question mark comes, it is an interrogative sentence. Understood? Okay. Then now what is an exclamatory sentence? An exclamatory sentence expresses overflow of emotion. These emotions can be of happiness, wonder, sorrow, anger, etc. These types of sentences end with a note of exclamation. That is an exclamation mark. Now see, I will, like, you are expressing your emotions. Either are you very happy about it, wow, this is so beautiful. So that is a happy expression. Then behind the wow there will be an exclamatory mark. Understood? Behind this sentence there will be an when you are expressing your emotions. Oh, ouch, that hurt me. So you are, something hurt you. You are not happy about it. So you put an exclamatory mark. Understood? So where the exclamatory marks come?
At the end.
Yeah, but why it will come? When you are expressing your emotion. What a day it was. So either you can say it in a good way or either you are saying it in a bad way. See, what a day it was. If you say happily, then also exclamation. What a day it was. I can't even tell you. I was in so much pain. Whatever. So there also an exclamatory mark will come when you are expressing your anger or your sorrow. Understood? I cannot believe you would do that. That is, you are surprised. Understood? I don't believe. मुझे यकीन ही नहीं हो रहा कि उसने ऐसा किया होगा. And you put an you are expressing your surprise वाला feeling. Right? So that is an exclamatory sentence. आया समझ में? Now imperative sentence. What is an imperative sentence? Imperative sentences, we use an imperative sentence to make a request, suggestion, give a command or order. Imperative sentence normally end with a full stop, but under certain circumstances it can end with a note of exclamation. For example, please sit down. I need you to sit down now. See here again, in an exclamatory sentence you have an exclamatory mark. In an imperative sentence you might have an exclamatory mark, but what is the difference? Exclamatory sentence will show your feelings, right? Wow, oh, ouch, wonderful, brilliant. All those are feelings which you are showing. Right? Very good. Those are the feelings. But in an imperative sentence, when you are putting an exclamatory mark, you will always have a command, or you are trying to say something, or you are making a request. See here, I need you to sit down now. Means I'm now, right now sit down. Right, where I am not expressing anger or something, but I am giving you an order. Correct? So that whenever there is an order, wherever there is a request, that time and there is an exclamation, that is an imperative sentence. And where is an expression of emotions and there is an exclamatory, that is an exclamatory sentence. Understood? So please, can you get me a glass of water? Imperative sentence. Okay? You better finish your homework by tomorrow. Imperative. Right? There is a threat also in it, and I am telling you also, I am ordering you also that you better finish it. Okay? So that is an imperative sentence. Could you please pass me that pen? Imperative. Where you are requesting. Okay? Or you all please sit down. A command. That is an imperative sentence. Understood the difference between all four? Sure? So now see. His machine has ceased to work. What type of sentence is that?
Imperative.
No. It's an assertive sentence. Declarative sentence. An assertive sentence. His machine has ceased to work. Means it has stopped to work. I'm just giving an information. So it is a declarative or a assertive sentence. Who has taken my book? Interrogative, right? London is the capital of England. Declarative, correct. Please leave your footwear outside. Imperative. Will you wait here? Interrogative. My sister lives in Mexico. Declarative. What a tragedy! Exclamatory. Fantastic. So understood now? Okay? So are we clear with the concept of kind of sentences? Very good.